Red River Club clinched the victory title of 7th Paklongkam Sports Association Football Club League held at Paklongkam Rupjili Playground. 7th edition of Paklongkam Sports Association Football Club League came to a conclusion at Paklongkam Rupjili Playground on 30th of July. The match was played between Red River Club and OV Chingthur Club. Red River Club dominated the game and scored 1 goal for the team, which resulted victory and clinched the title. Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbianglong Autonomous Council, attended the event as chief guest of the event. Rajesh Teron, VDC Chairman Mahamaya, Biren Singh Taro, Secretary LEMS Paklongkam, Sam Ingleng, Chairman LEMS Paklongkam, and several other dignitaries were present at the event. Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbianglong Autonomous Council, while speaking to the participants, conveyed his words of encouragement and also briefed the importance of sports culture in this generation.
Games and sports Games and sports really like activities se par dolo bulkan me jirpo jirpi chalong ko team pen se par football best way of mane exercise to physically fit oneself mane jongjung man is fitness in boltan te sports and
Sarsing Terang, President, and Robinson Rongpi, General Secretary of Paklongkam Sports Association, says that they are committed to uplift and upgrade the sports culture in the region. The league was concluded peacefully and successfully. Samsing Ingti's report from Dokmoka, Karbianglong Live.